Good morning, students. Today we will learn about book reviews or film reviews. Okay, both book and film reviews we will learn about today. Now, I don't know whether you all know about book reviews or you have ever read book reviews or not, but I'm quite sure that many of you must have read film reviews in newspaper and all, right? Sometime you can watch also the telecast of film reviews as well. So the main thing or the basic thing is it's a critical analysis of either a film or a book. Critical analysis, you all are quite acquainted with this term in case of poem especially. So critical analysis, whether it be a poem or prose or a drama, everywhere it's applicable. So critically you need to analyze or make analysis of a particular book or film here. Now here you need not to write down the means if it's a film review, then you need not to write the entire story of the film here. Okay, it's not mandatory. What is required is you will touch the story, you will judge its each and every aspect. Okay, and in that case you need to be very much careful that you do not hurt anyone's or anyone's emotions or anyone's issues, okay, personal issues or something else. And you cannot means like a critical means like an observer or an audience, you need to make the judgment. Now there is not that much specific format for this particular thing, but some basic things or outlines will be provided in this particular part. So you need to go through those things, you need to write down according to those given points. Now you need to have a ready preparation for a book and a film. Generally generally the students are given the freedom to write, if it's a case of film or book, it's generally it happens that they are given the freedom to write it on their own way. So you get a scope to write a film review or a book review of your own choice. So in case of book selection, try to choose a book which has got the best seller or the best book best seller award and all. Or in case of film also, try to choose a film that is quite famous. So in that particular case you need to have a ready preparation, you need to know the basic things, writer, director, actor, actress. In case of book, the writer, publisher, price, number of pages, publication and everything, okay, main characters. So these are the basic things you need to learn about. Only means you need to learn at least of one book or one film. So if you have this preparation, it's going to help you. So here I have given some of the here I have given guideline, it can help you. That is, when you are writing a review and the viewer means the reader or the viewer will get the thing clearly, okay, they will it's not necessary that they will get the entire story, but they will get a clear view regarding that particular topic, okay. And a person who is writing the review, what is his or her purpose? His or her purpose is to bring out the purpose of the writer or the filmmaker to the audience, and you are going to judge its overall you are going to judge each and every part in overall. Now there also you will again I told you as I told you the same thing in both the cases, whether it will be a film or a book, in both the cases you will get some outlines or guidelines. Once hints will be given and you need to follow them and write accordingly. So whatever I have told so far, everything is written here and you need to go through all these points very clearly. So you need to choose a book which might be a contemporary bestseller or a classic. The same thing is applicable in case of film. Okay, so as I told you, there is no specific format for writing a review, only you need to follow the given points. Okay, and it's obviously highly personal. One film cannot be good to each and everyone, so it's absolutely it is dependent on your own personal review, and it needs an expression of your own opinion. Okay, so it will be dependent entirely on your own point of view, and in that case you need to be very much careful about this. So as I told, you need not to provide a complete plot, means the complete story is not required. You will touch the story and you will make the audience understand the main purpose of the writer or the filmmaker. Now in your worksheet you will get one example for both one film and one book. Now you need to write both the reviews. In case you need sample answer for this, you need to write to me, you need to send me email. In previous case, Shantani Bhuya, you send me, but you did not. As I mentioned in my previous class, you need to mention your email address so that I can write back to you. So if you need sample, if many of you ask, then I will be providing it in general in this way only. And if one or two, if you need, you can write to me, and you need to send me your own email address where I can send those things. This much for today. Take very good care of yourself. Keep on reading. Have a nice day. Thank you.